Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Remove toilet seat lid assembly and open the lid. The fixing screws are located under two decorative covers. Pry and remove the decorative covers for the fixing screws. Use a screwdriver to unscrew all the fixing screws. Remove the lid. Before installing the lid, set the hinge to the maximum open angle. Align the holes and insert the fixing screws. First, tighten the first screw, then manually align the lid. Secure the remaining screws. Test whether the lid opens and closes normally. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.